Hello, good afternoon from this side. My name is Jabwell. If you are new to my YouTube channel, and then if you're my returning subscriber, I really appreciate you guys for always coming back to my channel, watching, commenting, sharing. No, I hold you guys here. Hi, always hi here. So guys, today, oh, by the way, I stay in the ghettos. Maybe you can show them around. So this is my hood. Can show them even outside. Yeah, I stay in the ghettos. I call it home because it's where I can afford anyway for now, and I like the place too. So guys, today I'm going to repair this TV. This TV is having okay, this TV, the owner say that when they put it on, it takes time to switch on. Can take really long time to come on. So anyway, let me test too and see. Yeah, of course it's not coming on. So guys, normally when the TV is having that kind of a problem, there are always these capacitors here. It's normally 35 volts to 1000 or 25 to 470, something like that. So all I'm going to do is to check on these capacitors. I'm not used to this kind of a gun. My gun is spoiled. I'll just be going to buy another one today. So you can see this is swollen. So this only could be the problem. This is 25 volts 470. I told you guys last time when we were cleaning the reason why we keep these boards. We call them donor boards. Some people can call them scraps. They are all names. So this is 25 volts 470. So I can use either 35, 1000 or wherever, as long as it is within the range. This is 35 470. Let me use this one. So this is 35 470 is what I'm going to use. Star. Jango jijeyo suwani. Mie sent a battle. Send my tea. What? Where are you? Star? not used this kind. Macam mana aku kasi gimo kadro ki offer. Macho kato. Aku sebal. Ayo kikan ni kan. Kau na menyalon ni ko dana. Kina ni kibero. Kina ni kibero. Kino ko kero kao je. Tip manyaka chiano ne ko dana baraks ka.
Tu ni ko jamenga.
Ato ko ne ko no ko yao TV to golo ge socket ne ko ba ni TV nyamenya.
Machumbo ni
Ne menyo. Kero ko
kwa. Ja ko mulo tinyi.
Aga ko kwa ke.
CRT me yeka volts mati igime.
Wetu mara ma. Chokiri bino on. Kumbe do chokiri on. So guys, as you can see, the TV is ready. These buttons are not working. Let me first check on it. How can all buttons be when they are not working? This is too much. All of them. Maybe the problem is on the board. Let me first check on the board. Palavi. Even just this, there is a shorting here, this. Even just that can cause, can make the, can disable some functions there. Mama mark. Agachi. Kalo munene. That's all. Wanji, muwe. Let me test the game and see. I'm just on the button. It seems the buttons themselves have a problem. Maybe the owner was using a remote. So guys, anyway, as you can see, it's just, it was just this simple capacitor. As you see, it's swollen. That was making the TV to delay to come on. So you see, but the gun here fitted for.
I think at the for
Earphone sign, I mean, no.